Hi guys, welcome to Science Tech for Fun. Today I will show you the chemistry cool practical for A-level number 12, separation of species by thin layer chromatography. So for the method, the first thing we will do is grind the sample. After grinding the sample, we will collect 0.1 grams of each sample and we will dilute in different volumes of ethanol depending on the sample. These three samples here, that's aspirin, ibuprofen and paracetamol, we will collect 0.1 grams of the solid and will dissolve in 0.5 ml of ethanol. Okay? For these two, caffeine and iodine, we will also collect 0.1 grams of the sample, although we will dilute in 7 ml of ethanol. For the dilution, we will use different beakers. After diluted, all samples done, we will use a capillary tube to collect the sample, place in the TLC plate, and then run the chromatography itself. Okay, so let's start with aspirin. So let's start the method. So the first thing first, safety. Okay, so although none of the chemicals we are using are very hazard, we always need to protect ourselves with PPE. For this practical, lab coat is important, gloves, and specs. Starting with aspirin, I will take my sample and place in my mold. Because I don't need a big amount, I just need 0.1 gram. 3 tablets should be okay. So I will grind this off as much as I can. To grind, first we press with the pestle as much as we can, and then we rotate the sample to make a very thin powder. When you are satisfied with the powder, you can stop grinding. So after I grind it, I need to weigh 0.1 grams. So I will take my weighing bolt, place on the top of the scale, and press 10. Then, using my paintbrush, slowly I will transfer 0.1 grams. I will take my sample and transfer it to a beaker and measure 0.5 ml of ethanol. Transfer the ethanol to my beaker and shake until you see this is diluted. And I will repeat the same procedure for the other 4 samples, just reminding the right volume of ethanol. So aspirin, paracetamol, and ibuprofen 0.5 ml, and iodine and caffeine 7 ml of ethanol. Thanks to our editor, we managed to have our 5 samples here. And now I need to transfer my samples from the beakers to the TLC plate. For transferring my samples, I will use a capillary tube to transfer it to my TLC plate. In my TLC plate, I need to label where I will add my sample. So AS stands for aspirin, I ibuprofen, P paracetamol, C caffeine, and AN as anodine. So now, using the capillary, I will transfer the first sample. So the first sample will be aspirin. So let me rotate from facing myself. I will try to collect a little bit and dispose, giving some knocks on the right position. So after a couple of minutes, when we reach about 75% of the height in the TLC plate, we will open the lid, take the plate off, and transfer the rest of the solvent back to the sample bottle, so we can reuse it again. Now we place it back, the TLC here, and we will keep it for a couple of minutes to dry out. After dried, we will use our IV lights to see the position of each sample in the column solvent in the TLC. Okay? Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please give us a thumbs up. Please consider to subscribe, give us a comment, and see you next time.